Take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. We're gonna hop right into this video. I want to send a huge special thanks to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. They did send me a 18-inch Yaki straight wig. Along with it came these lashes. They're a little bit dramatic for the kid, but you know, we're gonna work with it. They also sent me these wig caps and this little card that says how to take care of the hair and all that. And then in the bottom was a folded piece of paper, and I was like, what is this? And apparently I won a free wig. So all I have to do is tag them, I think, in a picture, and I can get a free 8-inch bob. So shout out to y'all, shout out to them, you know, all of that good jazz. So I'm taking the wig out of the little hairnet. This is how it comes. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like this hair straight out the pack was like so soft. Like my face, it's so soft, like I can't even exaggerate. It was fluffy and soft, and I was instantly in love. Okay, this hair is definitely giving us SZA vibes, so I was excited to try this out. So right now I'm just showing you guys the construction of the wig. It comes with those two little bands, and then it has about 6 combs in it, 1 in the back, 2 on the side of the U, 2 on the front of your hairline, and then 1 all the way in the back. And then it also comes with an adjustable strap. So I was kind of filling it out. Hold on, I know I got some braids on, but I just wanted to see how it was going on my head. Let's just, hold on, take a sec. Let's just see. Is it giving? It's okay. It wasn't really giving a lot. It was just, ugh. I don't really have much words for it. I put my hat on to try to see maybe if it would be different, but it didn't give anything different. It's cute though, you know. It just was a lot. It was a whole lot of hair. I don't know if I would ever wear it in this blown out state, but yeah, let's just get into it for sure. Hey babes, welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. I'm sure you all have seen the intro of me showing you guys this hair, so we're gonna just hop right into this video, okay? As you guys know, this hair was sent to me by Nadula Hair, and I showed you pretty much everything that was in the box. Now they did send me and wanted me to try out this little waist grip, this little lace grip. I'm gonna try this out, but I'm not wearing a wig that has lace on it, so there's no purpose in me trying it out right now. So we'll try that out for another video for sure, but I just wanted to tell you guys about that because they did send that to me as well. Here is the wig. As you guys seen before, drink some water. Excuse me. As you guys seen before, hair did not look like this. It did not come this tamed at all. I have washed this hair, deep conditioned it, and went ahead and straightened it. I didn't know if I wanted to wear the hair straight today or if I wanted to wear it curly. So I just straightened it off camera because it's a lot of hair and I didn't know how long it was going to take to straighten this joint. So a little bit of specs about this hair. This hair is 18 inches of Yaki straight hair. This company did reach out to me wanting to work with me. They initially though wanted to send me a 14 or a 16 inch. One of the two. They wanted to send me like a short inch, and I was like, let's do the longer inch instead. So what we like agreed upon was that they would make me basically just pay the difference of the 18 inch, which I only pay out of pocket like $10 or whatever. So I was fine with that. In the future, I won't be, but in this case, I was fine with it because I really did want to try this hair out. This is probably the only texture hair that I have not tried that I really wanted to try. I would have preferred it actually be a lace wig, so I don't have any of my hair out, but you know, it's fine. Let me just prepare my life. What we got going on in here, child? So I did go ahead and section my hair off previous to the video. I didn't, again, want this video to be too long, so I kind of did a little bit of prep work outside. So I have my edges out, and then I have my middle section. I might take a little bit less hair here. It's kind of low-key a lot of hair right here, and I don't really want to straighten that much of my hair, but for the rest of my hair I just kind of have it, you know, twisted up. I don't know if you guys can tell, just twist it up. So I'm just gonna take the hair back here and kind of pin it up like this. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is kind of like put it in a little pony. I was gonna try to put a wig cap on, but it's kind of hard to put a wig cap on when you have leave out. So I can kind of do it like that. And we'll see how long that stays on, child. Don't pray about it. I did a video like this before with a U-part wig that I made myself, and it was hair from, I believe it was Diamond Virgin Hair Company. And literally that is one of my popular videos. So this is a similar type of video. Like, I'm excited to do this U-part wig. A wig that I did, I actually sewed onto my head, but this one, it actually has clips. So let me just show you guys the construction of this wig. So it has two at the front of the U, and then one in the back of the U. It has two on the sides, so like around this area, and then it has one in the back also with an adjustable strap. So I'm gonna adjust this thing to fit my noggin. As y'all know, it is small head lemon drop over this way, and we need this mug to be snug. And that was not supposed to rhyme, but it did, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, praise God. Well, it does come with these two little strips right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissors and cut them. I don't know why it actually comes. Maybe it just comes to keep the form of the wig to be a U. I don't know, I just made it up, but it makes sense, right? Low-key, you could actually make this into like a half wig type of situation. If you didn't want to do the U, you could leave it like this on your head, I think. And you know, you could do a half up, half down, or whatever the case may be. We're not doing that. We're gonna do a U part. So I'm gonna put her on. I'm just gonna adjust my combs where I need to. Like this. I wanna make sure this is like super seamless and super flat. So it comes down to, I know I have on a black shirt, but it comes down to right here on me. So it hits probably mid back right here, a little bit below my bra strap, even though I don't have a bra on. Mind your business. This is cute though. This texture is really nice. It's really natural. This is the texture like of the hair SZA always wears. So far, as far as the hair, I haven't had any issues with this hair. The only thing that I did notice when I first got the hair came, like, when I'm not even exaggerating, when I took this hair out the pack, it was so soft. It was like, I don't even know another word like I wish I could use. It was so soft. So I was very impressed by that. One bad thing, a con, when I first got this wig out the package and I kind of ran my fingers through it, I did get a couple strands, but when I washed the hair, I got a lot more strands. And then when I was straightening the hair, I got a few more strands, and they were kind of coming out in like a follicle, if that makes sense. So it wasn't just like one or two pieces, it was like a baby chunk, if that makes sense. Not like a big chunk, but like it was a follicle, so it had a lot of strands on it. So that was one thing that I definitely did notice with this hair just initially out the pack. And now I'm just putting those other front combs, securing them in. I definitely feel like this wig is super secure. It was very easy to put on. She's definitely ready and willing. My intentions were to not keep her straight, but she's giving me, what is she giving me? Because she's giving me something. Giving me something I can feel. I'm a little hype about her. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna style her, and then once I'm done styling, I will come back at the end of the video so you guys can see my progress or whatever. All right, babes. So we're gonna get into the styling of this. First of all, I'm hot. Jimmy Crickets. No, so I am taking down my leave out braids that I just had braided, and I'm trying to find this middle part for the kid. I was very impressed by like the seamless look of my hair flowing into the wig, so that's what I was trying to show you guys. I'm using my favorite heat protectant by Silk Elements. It's Mega Silk, I believe. I will leave it down in the description box so you guys can check it out. And I am proceeding to just blow dry my hair. Now, my plan originally was to just keep it blow dried and not straighten it at all, but the look was a lot more seamless when I did add a little bit more heat to flatten out my hair. Now, I did notice that I was having a little bit of trouble, like when I was blow drying my hair on my right side. I don't know if you guys can see it peeking through, but I kind of fixed it a few times in the video where like a part of the wig was sticking up. I'm not sure if that was just my wig construction or if it's how the wig is constructed, but I did have a little bit of trouble with that. But for a second, can we just feel ourselves? Just for a sec. Just for a sec. Hold on. Just let it ride. Ooh, okay. Okay. Clearly, I was feeling myself for the straight look. I absolutely love the straight look, for real. I should have kept it straight. But I went in with my wand curler. I'm not sure the size of this barrel, but I went in with my wand curler and I just added some kind of like effortless waves. My plan was to do like va va voom mermaid wand curls, but they didn't really turn out that way. So I kind of just left it as these little effortless waves that it turned into. So I kind of just wrapped the hair very loosely. It didn't really matter the direction because I wanted all the waves to be, you know, wild, if that makes sense. Plus I was combing it out after I finished curling it. But I just wrapped the hair around very loosely and I just continued these steps as I went around my head. I didn't take very big pieces, probably like medium-sized pieces, to give it a nice little wave, you know. And then when I got toward the top, I definitely included my hair with the weave and curled them together. And like I said, I was combing the hair out. So this is me combing the hair out and just taking a look at it wherever it needs to be styled. And I decided that I really wanted to add a little bit more dimension into the hair. So I went ahead and cut some layers into the U-part wig. It was kind of like semi-layered, but I just wanted to add a little bit more dimension, especially for the curls with this look. So that's what I did. I added some layers into the wig and then I curled it a little bit more. And then once I was finished, I added a little bit of Got To Be Glued free spray and then laid down some flyaways that I had at the top. And that was pretty much it. Okay. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, hold on my necklace, y'all. Give me a sec. Jesus, call 911. I'm praying that my hair will actually cooperate because the humidity, the sweat, I don't really know, the nervousness, child. I hope that it actually stays as flat as it needs to be. But here is the finished look. Let me just turn around and give you guys. I did put curls in it, but now these curls have obviously fallen to mild waves. I'm not sure how well this hair can hold a curl because right now it's kind of failing. It's failing right now. I did cut some layers into it so it would have some type of dimension. Just a little bit in the front, not too much all over, but just a tiny bit. I did like it straight. If you guys seen that, I maybe should have left it straight because, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below if you like it straight or if you like it curly. Let me know. But that's pretty much it for this video. Nothing really on this hair so far. These are my very first impressions on this hair. So if I have any issues or anything like that, I definitely will come back with an update for you guys. These are just my initial little thoughts of this hair. But I think that is all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. I hope that you all like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section with any comments, questions, or concerns. And if you're not already, hit that red subscribe button, join our team, consider our bench. We would love to have you here as always. If you're not following me on my social medias, also make sure you check me out on those. They'll be in the description box below. But I'm getting ready to flick it up and then head out of the house. I love you guys so freaking much and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a kiss. Mwah.